A defining moment in the rebirth of Camp Nou has arrived. The transformation of the stadium is reaching a stage that fans have been waiting years to witness. But one recent development has completely changed the view from above, and it's turning heads across the football world. For the first time, the future home of FC Barcelona is beginning to look real. Let's take a closer look at everything happening right now inside the new Spotify Camp Nou. We begin with FC Barcelona's official webcams, now delivering some of the most spectacular aerial views of the project. From these stunning angles, the entire stadium and the newly prepared playing surface are clearly visible after the old pitch was removed and the soil carefully screened. The next major step will soon follow, as trucks are expected to arrive with rolls of natural grass, just as they did last year. We'll be watching every stage closely as this remarkable transformation continues. Another striking feature now coming into view is the stadium's decorative facade, where the newly installed louvres are already revealing the future identity of Camp Nou. Even at this stage, the different lighting tones, including the iconic blaugrana colors and the distinctive purple shade, offer a glimpse of how impressive the stadium's exterior will look once the entire system is completed. From a distance, these decorative elements are becoming increasingly visible, highlighting the transformation from every angle. New images circulating on social media reveal just how quickly work is advancing inside the VIP ring. The escalators connecting the museum and the VIP level are already in place, while the surrounding walls and interior areas have reached a remarkably advanced stage. Waterproof finishing work is also progressing around the seating access points. And with every new update, the space is looking more complete. The VIP ring is already looking impressive, and its distinctive yellow staircases make the space stand out even more, offering a glimpse of how striking this area will look once completed. Work continues across the third-tier areas, with teams focusing on structural finishing, access systems, and preparation for upcoming installations. Platforms, support structures, and technical components are still being completed in different sections as the upper levels move closer to their final configuration. Additional work is also continuing around stairways, service areas, and technical zones to prepare the third tier for its final stage. The progress in these areas is helping shape the final appearance of the renovated stadium. Progress continues on the compression ring structure, where new radial beams and box sections are being installed around the stadium. In the south and north goal areas, smaller compression ring segments are now being added to complete the remaining sections and maintain the installation pace. These massive structural elements require precise positioning and strong connections with support pillars, bringing the future roof structure closer to its final form. Each new installation represents another important step toward completing the stadium's unique roof support system. One of the most striking developments can now be seen at the first diamond structure, where all of its formworks have been completely removed, every single one. The formworks that were placed to contain and shape both the lower foundation concrete and the upper incline structure concrete have served their purpose and been stripped away, leaving the finished concrete surfaces of the entire structure revealed in their permanent and final form. And what those revealed surfaces show is genuinely impressive. Both the lower foundation and the upper inclined shape have been fully concreted, fully cured, and fully formed. And immediately, without pause or delay, the crews are moving into the next phase, the clearing of the interior space from the rubble and construction debris that accumulated during the concrete works. Interior clearing is one of those activities that signals a really specific and really exciting transition in the life of a constructed space. From this elevated viewpoint, the construction site is busier than ever, with workers, machinery, and materials spread across every corner. Most of the attention is focused on the Gol Sud side, where fresh materials are being lifted into the VIP ring, while new pallets, believed to contain ceramic louvres, have also arrived near the mobility cores, signaling that facade work is moving closer. At the same time, crews continue inspecting, painting, and finishing the superstructure, as additional escalators have been delivered and more sandwich panels remain to be installed on the cores. Every area is advancing step by step, making Gol Sud one of the most active and closely watched sections of the entire Camp Nou renovation. Work in the central section of Gol Norte has progressed rapidly since the beginning of the week. After the first louvre was installed on the bracket area during the previous visit, nearly all of the louvres have now been fitted, with only a couple still waiting to be installed and the usual gap left for the remaining section. Additional louvre materials are also ready nearby, while work continues across the area. At the same time, the protective netting keeps moving forward as more pipes are installed beneath the cantilever. Even through the safety net, it's clear that much of the lower section has already been completed, bringing this part of the stadium another step closer to completion. The corner section is now showing another important sign of progress, with the first decorative louvres already delivered and prepared for installation. More louvres are waiting nearby, while the mounting brackets in this area have been ready for some time, suggesting installation could begin later this week or in the coming days. Protective safety netting is also in place beneath the cantilever, where pipe installation will continue, while painting work remains underway around the mobility cores before the sandwich panels are installed. Aside from the arrival of the louvres, there are few major changes in this section, although finishing work on beams, supports, and the cantilever continues to move forward steadily. Now moving to the lateral side of the stadium, the entire corner section has now been concreted, exactly as expected after the preparation seen earlier in the week. Only a few vertical sections still remain to be concreted. Before moving on, the tower crane is already back in action, lifting fresh materials to the upper levels as work continues across the stadium. The steady flow of deliveries is another clear sign that construction remains in full swing, with every new shipment supporting the next phase of progress. The diamond section continues to show steady progress, with crews now covering the block wall along the lateral side with concrete, leaving much of the surface already completed. Work is currently focused on this area, while the front section is expected to receive the same treatment next. Nearby, the diamond structure remains busy with temporary access doors, stored construction materials, and the extensive shoring still in place, reflecting the ongoing activity throughout this important part of the project. The corner section remains full of activity as crews prepare a container to be lifted by the tower crane, carefully securing it with lifting chains before moving it into position. At the same time, several workers continue inspections across the stadium, while this angle also provides another excellent view of the compression ring, the radial beam, and the supporting pillar as the structure steadily extends toward the tribuna side. Nearby, work continues along the cantilever walkways, where a newly installed vertical pillar can also be seen, bringing another productive day on the Camp Nou construction site to a close. And with every new installation, every completed section, and every passing week, the future of Camp Nou is becoming clearer than ever. The transformation is far from over, but the vision is finally starting to take shape. Until next time, we'll continue tracking every step of this remarkable journey.